Hi, I'm Teacher Ruth. Today, we're going to learn how to use syllables to pronounce words correctly. A syllable is a unit of sound in a word. It usually contains a vowel sound. Each syllable makes a beat when you say it. For example, syllable, motorcycle, motorcycle. A motorcycle is fun on a twisty road. How many syllables does motorcycle have? If you said 4, you are correct. Syllables help with pronunciation by breaking words into manageable parts. Syllables help us find patterns in words. By breaking down words into syllables, it helps us spell, read, and pronounce English words correctly.